Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the navigation HUD that is up here in the upper right hand corner where the compass rose is. But before I show you that, I want to just for a couple of moments just tell you where you can get this unicorn, which is super duper cute if you like this. So I have gotten mine from right here from Creative Fabrica. I can't really tell how much it costs because I have a subscription. As you see my account here, I have a subscription for all of their things here. But you can get a subscription if you use my link that I have below for a limited time. I think it ends at the end of October. You can get for a month everything that you want from Creative Fabrica for only $1. So you can get anything you want. You can save it. It's yours to keep. Once you download it, it's yours. Let's see. Oh, it expires in 23 hours, it says. So maybe you just have a really short time. Sorry. Yikes. Maybe it expired on the 17th at night. Oh, goodness. Okay. Anyway, so I better hurry up and get this out. Look right here. It says where it's gonna expire. So anyway, let's go back here, and I just want to show you. So there are a ton of embroidery files. Now remember, if you just get it for $1 and you can unsubscribe at any time, just for a month, grab as many things as you want in here. These are all free embroidery files that you can get, and there are a ton of them. So like you can go over here and see they have all these different categories. So maybe you wanted something from marine mammals. And here we go. Aren't these cute? Look at these penguins. Oh my gosh, they're super cute. Okay, anyway, let's go back to Embrilliance and get started there so I can get this done so you'll have time to subscribe if you want to for $1. I'm telling you, it's worth it. All right, here we go. So we were going to talk about the compass rose today, and I brought in this cute little unicorn. Obviously, she's too big if I put her this way, but as you know, with my 5x7 hoop that I have selected, I can just go down here where it says hoop, double click on it, and it rotates my hoop automatically just like that. And then she fits in there just by the hair of her chinny chin chin. So I'm going to center her in the hoop by coming up here and click center to the design in the hoop. Okay. So that's perfect, just like that. Let's imagine for a minute that I want to scroll way in on her little muzzle right here. Well, I happen to look over here in the Objects panel, and Object 11 is her muzzle. And if I want to scroll way into her muzzle and her ear, it's the same color, really quickly, I can come up to the compass rose and hit the letter S for selection, and it zooms me right into there. Okay, so I'm zoomed in there and I'm looking at it and I'm fine with it. If I want to go back to seeing the whole image, I can come back again to the compass rose and say either hoop or all. If I say hoop, I'm going to see my hoop. If I say all, I'll just see all and not necessarily my hoop, but I can go back and go to hoop. And that helps me to see all of my hoop. Another thing you can do with the compass rose is click on it, and you can see a crosshair right here. Let's say we want to look easily at her unicorn thingy, horn. I can scroll like that. If I want to go down here and look at the base of her tail, I can do that. So all I'm doing is holding the compass rose open and going like this, okay, and scrolling around. And it's a lot easier than using your scroll bars. Now watch when I let go of my mouse, it's going to go boop and it's going to be hidden again. If I want my compass rose to stay open, because I'm going to be doing some things with it, I can just hit this little push pin right here and it'll stay open. And then I can go over here if I want to look at her muzzle, if I want to look at the bottom of her tail, let go of my mouse, it's still open, go over here. And then if I want to see the whole hoop again, I can go like that. Or if I want to see a selection, let's say I want to see a selection of, I don't know, let's see, maybe this. I can hit the S for go to that selection. If I want to go back to all, I can do that. Okay, so that's how we can use these letters up here if you want to open up the compass rose. I can click on this little push pin again and it'll get rid of it. Here's another thing that I can do. If I want to go back to that muzzle, and remember it was 11, and I want to scroll right into that selection, if I like using keyboard shortcuts, I can just hit the letter S on my keyboard and it will show me that selection. if I want to go back out to the hoop, you would think you'd put the letter H, but you don't, because that toggles the hoop, whether you can see it, off and on. If I want to go back to the total hoop, see it all, I'll hit the 0 on my keyboard, and there it is. And again, if I want to see, let's scroll way in. Let's say I want to see everything. I don't really care about the hoop, but I want to see all of my design. I can hit A on the keyboard. So I'll have those keyboard shortcuts written for you down below, as well as the link to Creative Fabrica. I'm telling you, you might want to grab it, keep it for a month, follow the rules there, and then discontinue it if you want to. Like a lot of us have kept it because we really think it's worth it. But if you don't want to keep it, you can just delete it at any time and no questions will be asked. So that's it for today. I hope you like it, and I hope you'll start using the compass rose for navigation. It's called the navigation HUD, for heads up display. Oh, don't forget this also. It scrolls you in and out. If you go to the plus sign, it scrolls you in, makes everything bigger. Minus makes it smaller. Okay, and you can also hit it with these little plus and minus signs to make it bigger and smaller. Okay, thanks a lot. Check out my links down below. Please subscribe if you're not. Hit the like button, and please share this, because I know there's a lot of people out there who are confused with Embrilliance Essentials. Bye.